Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set ASIO as your audio driver in FL Studio, step by step. If you're struggling with audio issues or can't find the FL Studio ASIO driver, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Step 1. If the FL Studio ASIO driver isn't showing up, it's usually due to one of two reasons. First, if you've recently reinstalled FL Studio, the issue might be that the FL Studio ASIO option wasn't selected during installation. To fix this, you can reinstall FL Studio and make sure to select the FL Studio ASIO driver when prompted during the installation process. Step 2. Now open FL Studio and go to Options, Audio Settings. In the Audio Device drop-down menu, you should now see the FL Studio ASIO driver listed. Select it, and your audio should be working perfectly. And that's it! With just a few steps, you can resolve this issue and set ASIO as your audio driver in FL Studio. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.